What's up, everybody? I hope everyone is having a great summer. I have some awesome workshops coming up that I'll be teaching, and that I'll have some of my authorized instructors that are hand-picked and hand-trained by me teaching. So you might want to check those out if you're interested, and to see if one is happening in your area. Also, in this video description below, there'll be a link that you can click on to see those dates and times and who will be teaching those and where. There'll also be a link below in the description that if you want to sign up to be notified as to when one might be available in your area, you can go ahead and click to do that as well. I also schedule throughout the year private workshops. If that's more something you're interested in, contact me. We can see if we can schedule you in. It's anywhere from a 1-day shooting clinic to a 5-day bow and arrow building course. I want to thank everyone for their support, my customers, my students, and my subscribers. I have compiled a short video of some recent workshops that were private workshops for you guys to enjoy. I do also have some torture video footage available and some new products coming out soon. I just have not had the time to edit those and prepare them yet, but stay tuned, they will be coming soon. So if that's something you're interested in, my torture videos, then if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and then go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. So before I play this video, one more thing. If you are at all hesitant about your ability to build a composite bow, don't be. Sign up for one of my classes, come build a bow with me, and I guarantee you, you will leave with an awesome, killer, fully functional composite bow. So with that being said, let's roll. Oh, and I apologize for any of the chicken noise in the background. They just kind of speak whenever they want. See ya.